The Nature of Patience, Bishop Horne. Patience is the guardian of faith, the preserver of peace, the cherisher of love, the teacher of humility. Patience governs the flesh, strengthens the spirit, sweetens the temper, stifles anger, extinguishes envy, subdues pride. She bridles the tongue, restrains the hand, tramples upon temptations, endures persecutions. Patience produces unity in the church, loyalty in the state, harmony in families and society. She comforts the poor, moderates the rich. She makes us humble in prosperity, cheerful in adversity, unmoved in reproach. She teaches us to forgive those who have injured us and to be the first in asking forgiveness of those whom we have injured. She delights the faithful and invites the unbelieving. She adorns the woman and approves the man. She is beautiful in either sex and every age. Behold her appearance and her attire. Her countenance is calm and serene as the face of heaven, unspotted by the shadow of a cloud. No wrinkle of grief or anger is seen in her forehead. Her eyes are as the eyes of doves for meekness, and on her eyebrows sit cheerfulness and joy. Her mouth is lovely in silence, her complexion and color that of innocence and security, while, like the Virgin, the daughter of Sion, she shakes her head at the adversary, despising and laughing him to scorn. She is clothed in the robes, and in her hand she holds a scepter in the form of a cross. She rides not in the whirlwind and stormy tempest of passion, but her throne is the humble and contrite heart, and her kingdom is the kingdom of peace. I want to thank you all for listening, and thank you all for taking the time out of your day to worship God with me.